Hi, I'm Kevin with Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, located here in Irvine, California, serving all of Orange County. Today we want to talk about the odors that you're getting from your garbage disposal. Boy, those are pretty bad sometimes, and I've got some really good solutions for you. One of the things I like to do is I like to put ice in the garbage disposal along with a lemon, and I cut the lemon in a couple pieces, just to get it through there, and let that garbage disposal grind it up. The acid and the lemon scent, it really does a good job at cleaning. One of the things that when you get these odors, a lot of times what you're smelling is bacteria, and the lemon will help clean that up. We've got some solutions here in our company that we use products that have natural enzymes in them, and they actually eat that bacteria. I use that quite a bit in certain fixtures in my house that start to get odors, one of them being the garbage disposal, the other being the shower. Those tend to get some odors going there, and that product is really, really good. I use it at my own home oftentimes, and just to get rid of those odors. One of the other items, a lot of people don't know this, but your dishwasher is connected to your garbage disposal. And there's a hose that goes through a device called the air gap, sits on top of your sink. And a lot of times there's food particles and obviously dirty water that goes into the drain. Well, it travels through these tubes, and one of them is connected to your garbage disposal. That tube starts to get a lot of odors coming from it, and you'll notice it when either the garbage disposal is ran or when the dishwasher runs. In that particular instance, you're going to have to take that hose apart and clean it out. It's a black hose, about 7/8 in diameter, and it would take a 5/16 nut driver to get that off. It's a flexible hose. If you're interested in doing it yourself, or you can call us, we'll be happy to take that apart, either replace or clean that hose for you if these odors persist. Again, my name is Kevin. I'm with Kalka Plumbing, Heating and Air.